Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video we are going to be swatching these ORLY colors. They are a new collection for winter holiday 2021. Let's see what they are.
What's the name of the...
Momentary Wonders. Did I say that?
No.
The collection? Okay. Momentary Wonders collection. Okay, so these are the colors. We're going to be swatching them on natural nails as we usually do on these nails, and because that really gives you an idea how they truly look, right? We're going to do probably two nails each color, and then two nails are going to get one color each. Anyway, so very quickly, I'm going to, because this is the first for me, I used the ORLY Bonder a long time ago, but I haven't used it recently, so we're going to quickly do the base coat, and then he's going to read you a little bit more about the collection and the colors.
All right, so Momentary Wonders. Enter a dreamy collection of shimmering shades inspired by winter's undeniable magic. Sublime golden shimmers echo the distant hum of a dream you've woken from but can't seem to let go of. Mystical berry and fuchsia shimmers mirror the quiet powers that arise when new ideas ignite a crackling fire in your soul. In this tide of quiet reflection and infinite possibilities, this collection will inspire you to savor the ephemeral bliss and ponder your own momentary wonders.
Oh, it's quite beautiful.
Okay, so the colors are Flight of Fancy, Awestruck, very nice, Dancing Embers, Touch of Magic. I'm sure you guys can already tell which one my favorite is. We have Whispered Lore. I really like this one as well. And finally, Ephemeral. Very nice. So now that we have that all out of the way, let's get to some swatching.
So let's do these three first. Ephemeral. This looks like a nice topper.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting.
Oh, actually, it's more than a topper. You know, okay, the brushes are so-so. They're a little wonky. I noticed that on the Bonder. They're way better than the old brushes, but...
Even still, let's take in
the sparkles.
The sparkles. The sparkles. Very
cool. It actually has a nice, when you turn the nail, it has that fresh kind of a pinkish look. Right? It doesn't have a yellow.
Well, it's funny, from this angle, you don't see almost anything.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
And then as soon as you kind of pop it up in the right light, the right angle, it just...
But it doesn't yellow the nail.
No, it does not.
Whispered Lore.
Indeed.
This reminds me of the Chanel.
Yes.
A few years ago.
Yes, it does. I think we still have that floating around.
We'll do a comparison later. We will do 2 coats each. Easy application.
Which is good. Very shimmery.
You have to give it like full strokes, otherwise it's going to be looking a little uneven.
It's just kind of a nice little... There we go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Touch of magic. Okay, this one has a very strong pink shimmer.
Depends on which angle.
And copper, almost like a copper color, which, It can discolor the end of the nail sometimes, like the free edge.
Yeah.
So we'll see how the 2 coats look. They might need 3. We'll see.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's better to do 3 thin ones as opposed to 2 thick ones.
Right. Very cool.
Dancing Embers. So far, they all apply quite soft. Like, it's not like they're softly pigmented. It's not like they're not pigmented, but they're just soft. I guess it gives the color some depth, right? Okay. And Awestruck.
I have some high hopes for this one. Although, just as you pulled that out, it looks like it's going to be a little on the thin side.
Oh no.
Oh no, I was wrong.
I'm surprised.
Well, you looked at it, like,
Yeah,
the way
exactly.
you pulled it out, it just seemed like it was going to be a little more on the
Oh
sheer
wow.
side.
This is kind of fuchsia, but it's like it has some gold to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Impressive.
That impressed me.
Yep, agreed.
So too bad we don't have a second
Finger for that.
Yeah, finger.
I mean,
for
if
that.
I had 12 fingers, hey, listen, this would work out perfect. Unfortunately,
That's not the case.
that is not the case.
This might be the same. Let's just hope.
Let's hope.
Oh yes. Okay, again, wonky brush a little bit.
Yeah, we can work with it. It's okay.
I can work magic.
Right on. I mean, it definitely needs
This
2 coats.
Yeah, and this one also has like a gold, like, and actually pink in a purple.
Yeah.
It's really, really interesting color.
But I think that one's going to be just 2 coats and good to go. Like, it's a little thin in some spots, but but you only catch that at certain certain angles. All right, let's go round 2.
Okay, this
How's
is
it feel?
not super dry yet.
Go for broke. See, I think it's so neat from this angle.
This is
you
gorgeous.
really don't see a lot. You see a few little sparkles.
Yeah, it looks almost whitish.
Yeah, and
Okay,
then you
that's
pop
nice.
it up and then just
Okay,
just
so it's
hits
like a
you.
gold that looks white almost at a certain angle. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm surprised because I actually thought that this would be my least favorite one.
It's crazy because I mean, like, different angles give you different feels. Like, it looks like in some areas patchy, looks strange, looks you know, like there's nothing there, and then you flip it up and it just hits you like a ton of bricks. That's really cool.
I think I'm gonna do 3 coats. You think?
No.
No?
No.
2?
No. 2's
Yeah, because it's not
perfect.
gonna give you more coverage.
No, it's not. Like, I think 2 is enough, and this is what you're gonna get.
Yeah, it is that kind of a soft.
It's the same with, like, I think all of these are just 2 coaters. I don't see the point in doing 3. Because I don't think that 3 is going to yield.
Okay, this one is really, really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Like the green in it, it
Pops
looks
with the
good.
second
Yeah.
coat.
Yeah, it looks really good. But as I was saying, yeah, I just don't think that 3 coats are necessarily going to yield anything really better than 2.
I agree.
But guys, let us know what you think. Like, what are your favorite colors in all of this? If you're new to the channel, you know, hit that like and subscribe button. Not necessarily in that order per se, but yeah.
It really helps the channel.
It certainly does. Go check out some of the links we have down below for some of our favorite products and our Patreon and stuff
And
like that.
information, yes, about the cuticle. Well, I get so many questions about the cuticle and how to...
What it is.
Yeah, and how to kind of make the area around the nail better looking.
Yeah, which is the proximal nail fold.
Nail fold, exactly. Not the cuticle.
Not the cuticle, yeah. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We are here to swatch
these colors.
this wonderful collection, the Momentary Wonders collection by Orly, the Winter 2021 collection.
Okay, this is, I think, my least favorite one. Because it turns the nail kind of yellow at a certain angle.
It does, but it's really neat. Here, listen, let me just see if I can get that to... I don't know. I think it's really neat because I mean, on one hand, from a certain angle, it looks very yellowish, but you know, you get this really good gold shimmer in certain lights, and then it turns pink, and yeah, like
it does. I see the chrome, the dual chrome.
Yeah,
pink and gold.
Okay, on to the Dancing Embers. Yeah, that second coat really makes a difference from this angle.
Yeah, this gives you perfect
wow
coverage and very soft look. Very soft look.
It looks good. It's very good.
So we should do like a wear test. I should find someone who would like to donate their time.
Yeah.
So we can...
Are you that victim out there? Are you
if you're
currently watching that you'd be interested in having this put on your nails?
Yeah, if you're in Lloret or Blas or
Tosa
or
wherever, come on down.
Or Girona if you want to drive.
Yep. Let us know.
Let us know and we'll do your manicure.
DM us and we will hook you up with an appointment.
Well, comment or email thesalonlife@gmail.com.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're super serious,
cereal
hit us up.
For cereal.
Yeah, if you are super serial, thesalonlife@gmail.com. Hit us up.
I love this color. It's different.
It's good. It's really good. Very impressed.
Awestruck.
Yep.
It is.
Oh, and guys, we are creeping up on 14.5.
Can we make it to 15? Soon? Okay, sorry. I'm too excited.
Yeah. 14.5. We're creeping up slowly. We're about 40 away.
Okay, don't move this hand, please. Because you're like hitting this. I have clients do it all the time.
You're just killing this. You're just killing me here.
Trying to polish nails now.
Yeah, and you cut me off, and you're
I know, I'm
playing the mind games here. Anyways, so 14.5 thousand subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed. We greatly appreciate it. Yeah, look at that color.
Okay.
Anyways, we are trying to hit 15,000. You know, the next little bit. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Share it with your friends who might be interested in this. You know, let's make that happen for the channel.
Let's make that happen.
Yeah, let's make it make it happen.
And you know what? If we can hit 20,000 before the
years, there's going to be a big giveaway. Let me tell you what. We hit 20,000 by the end of the year. You guys make that happen, big giveaway. Okay? Big.
Wow.
So.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but I guess.
Oh, she does. She does.
No,
she's just playing it off. That is a very. I do not like that brush.
No, it's a very long.
Why?
Because it's for polishing your own nails. I guess.
Oh no.
To be honest with you, I bought this size bottle, but I guess they didn't have it.
So they gave you two of this size bottle.
Yeah.
With the funky brush of doom. So.
I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah.
But you just have to get used to it. But I prefer the bigger brushes because they give me more product on the nail. And then I don't have to re-dip.
Ooh, I just had an idea. Now remember, people, I said an idea. 20,000, maybe we might do a face reveal. But that's an idea.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Probably not. Of course, I said a face reveal. I never said that it had to be mine.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Yeah. Clickbait.
Yeah. We'll do Stevie's face reveal.
Yeah. For those of you who
Mr.
are unaware.
Pee-pee.
Yeah, Mr.
Pee-pee
Pee-pee
boy.
himself, yeah. So that
That's
is
the dog.
Yeah, the blind Galago that we currently share space with. Our fur nephew, if it were.
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Pee-pee boy.
Okay, how did that go from winter collection of Orly to
Pee-pee
Pee-pee
boy.
boy?
I don't know.
Oh man. We don't plan these videos, I swear.
Well, we do. It's just that, you know, this
Things
is the flow.
come up.
This is the way it goes, yeah. So, I know some of you guys love it. Some of you guys not so much. Hey.
We do some quiet videos as well. We're
Yeah.
doing like this, watching the whole collection. That's
Yeah,
a quiet
if you want a
video.
whole pile of me, you know, kind of,
Yeah.
then you're gonna want to go check out the shellac series that we're currently doing. We've just wrapped up episode 3. There's a whole lot less talking and more about just the reference.
The nails, yeah.
The nails.
So, you know, it would be really cool if we could swatch the entire OPI collection as well.
Yes.
If OPI wants to send us the product.
We're not talking about OPI though.
Okay, yeah. No.
Here we are.
Okay,
we're
Orly
doing
too.
Orly.
I would love to do Orly.
Hey,
Yeah, yeah. So
We're
Orly,
here.
guys, yes. So if you would like
Hit
us
us
to
up.
swatch the entire collection, then we would be
Yeah.
thrilled.
Make sure to go
Do
hit us
so.
up at thesalonlife@gmail.com. We can make some arrangements, some business deals.
And
Let's
yeah,
go.
swatch the whole
Let's make it
thing.
happen.
It really helps people. I'm convinced.
But,
And that's what people are saying. Anyway,
look at these.
Look at
Let's
these.
look at these, okay?
okay, so
Top coat done. Look
Yeah.
at these bad boys. These are going to be hot stuff at your COVID-19 readiness Christmas party.
did you have to say that C word?
I really did. Where you're going to be wrapped in bubble wrap, but let me
But
tell you
nice
what.
nails.
Your nails will be so gorge. It'll go well with your bubbly bubble wrap.
Okay, so this and this is my favorite. And surprisingly, this is very favorite as well.
You know what? I'm in the same boat. These
Yeah.
two are really good. All of them are great, but these two are
Surprising,
definitely...
right? Because you thought that this would be your favorite. But
Initially,
it's not my
I
favorite.
thought this was going to be a little bit more like Horsehead Nebula.
Oh,
just
yeah,
based
yeah.
off of what I seen in the bottle. It didn't turn out that way, but that's all right.
It could be a nice topper.
I think so. Yeah, but you
Yeah.
know what? I like these two. Yeah, hands down. So, guys, this is it for this video,
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining us.
and we will see you in the
We'll
next
see you
one.
soon. Bye.
Ciao.